The following video is a HURCO VM-1 CNC vertical machining center. This unit is new 2008. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're just going to go ahead and start with the tool chain, since we're in the menu. Go ahead and set the tool through. Cycle start. Set the tool 2, we'll do one more time. Going tool 3, rotating the carousel. All right, we'll go ahead and jog the axis around. Let's see here. This is our X. Our Y. Jog the Z-axis down. All right. Well, we're going to go ahead and run a spindle test now. Okay. Well, this is already 4,000 RPM.
4,000 RPM.
5,000. At 6,000 RPM. 8,000 RPM, the maximum for this machine.
8,000 RPM. Back down to 4.
See if we can slow her down a little bit here. That's 250, 300, 4, that's 1,000 RPM.
Thank you. Again, the preceding video is a HURCO VM-1 CNC vertical machining center, new 2008.